I don't understand. If una want marry other kind of woman, the way they come up for other kind of side, then una mono the kind of dame way una sport with dame una understand no. Na so the thing dey. Countryman, countrywoman, na to read that with the knock for una bam bam baradadam. Una know say Miss Cameroon baby na over the weekend. Yes, if they for Palais de Congrès for that side for Yaoundé. I pass for the na the thing that he pass fine. So they go pass place. Person way na Miss Cameroon for this year 2025 in name na Josiane Haranganda Golanga. He come on for far north. Na far north Pekin. It be Miss Cameroon. Plenty people they appreciate them. So when they say now the most beautiful Miss Cameroon since we Miss Cameroon is start. That's so it happen. And then for top 6 now for Miss Cameroon. Una know am, if una know am, magi una. First Miss, he come on for that side. The one how it say Miss Cameroon. Okay, now that how you see for top. What I want to give me that I go make a for say I want to confuse una. So no, the team pass the way we pass. Voila, even a little on that. Now the final don't take place. We know the Miss Cameroon already. The Miss Cameroon, I repeat the name, Josiane Haranganda Golanga. I name that for Miss Cameroon. The ceremony, we do plenty color, traditional, all kind thing. Chantal Bia, we did it. Samuel Etofis to be day. Chantal Bia will come up for Kribi, for go bury a papa, a woman. He passed away, he passed, Eto to be day. And then Eto will come back for Yaoundé. They go again for go bury Emmanuel Koundé, that former Indomitable Lion captain, and then defender too. Better kick penalty man. So they go now for Palais. He passed final. Chantal Bia put that crown for the Miss Cameroon he hate, for Josiane he hate. And then the ceremony, plenty artists they will sing to for day. The one way he called my attention, he named na Sandrine Nanga. The way he passed fine for the way he passed fine. Now so we say congratulations for all people who take part for the event for Miss Cameroon. We work a fine for that side for Yaoundé. Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. Now they have to accept an ID pass. Yes, Tori day. We did not come for una. Now so the Tori the day. We knock the Tori. They go for before. We know they come back. We go now for before. What happen? Joyce Malva Kamje. So take a rich today. They never see. Since on the 1st of July, a family they find me. If they stay now for that side for a bank, now for Yaoundé. Imami, he don't inform Griot. Say if he come go for Douala, they left Joyce with he picking them with his brother them for us. The time when the mommy turn back for Douala, you know see young Joyce, and then no telephone the pass. So he don't decide now for post picture for Joyce. And then he talk say there will no Joyce, especially for that play they call a cigar routier for Olembe, if they say bread and egg. You know that boiled egg no and bread. Joyce will sell them. So they got rich now, they never see Joyce. Now it's a pass with Joyce. Who don't take Joyce? Joyce go for some place. Joyce don't marry some man. It happen how now the thing that we no man never know for outside of City Garage now. The mommy don't leave number them. A telephone number then they tingly. Go say anyhow when the thing happen. Any man will see Joyce, we know any information about Joyce, may inform them, and then they will come take Joyce. So now so it pass. We stay for that side for Yaoundé. For Yaoundé, what happen for that quarter they call us say AK. Now for AK yesterday for morning time, we saw camion driver, the drive camion, let's say Ismun de Panka or Ismun Ku or Ismun Fifia. Brrrr for AK, bam! As I talk so now, Nomatopia, Benag, bam! A jam bike with 2 man be on top. As we talk for una so the information we gather and I say 2 man them, the 2 mommy them. The They carry them go for ourselves for Hospital Central for Yaoundé. And then the bike, the camion driver, he talk for a food, say food, with your chop and no give you. He run. So take a rich now, I give you the information. I don't know whether they don't catch it. I don't feel confirm for independently if they don't catch it. More go back, more go now for South region. Don't fit come back. Uton ugo fit come back. Now palava insecurity. Yes. For that side, some get the question Tulu, Louvienne. He come out, he go for Sangmalima. For some birthday. For some village where they call us say Zouame Young. Them say he come out Sangmalima, he go to some village where they call say Zouame Young. For that South region. They say the distance about 2 hours. The information where it come na say that Mazembe them. They make aggression. That means a big time aggression. They not only make an aggression, but they make viol. That means say they rape. And then enough feeling for that place. They rape and then they kill it. As I tell you, that's so wonderful kind of news. That means una catch a person, una kidnap, una rape, una chuki, una kill, and then una throw it their body, una go una. Now it pass, police now they make investigation for know what it really pass exactly. So palava insecurity. Mo come up for that side for Sangmalima, for Zomeyong, who come for ya for Douala, for that side. For some quarter where they call it say Dakar. For Dakar, for Douala, yesterday evening, I'm saying Saturday evening, which he pass now around the commissariat for Witiem, where some man they chuki 3 people and they chuki so they die because they want him now. He telephone for Sika telephone. Sika telephone matter. As I talk the matter, so it don't pass me. They kill some man for Sika telephone for Dakar. Them say they want to take the telephone, they chuki, they kill him. Another matter. Douala fan sote Benahas Idja. Una know that talk no? Na Eriko we don't sing that one. Jombos Aerobas Yahoo.fm. Dang Jombos Arobas Yahoo.fm. Douala fan sote Benahas Idja. Palaba for Douala ye. Et les passe wa on. Wa o attendement for attendement te. Yes, it don't pass. What it happen? So man, when they told say don't lose about 20 days ago, they define they know the same. So they don't announce and say it don't lose. Now a woman that Côte François, we know that song. Yeah. Black steel, oh, young say, yeah. Black steel, oh, young say, oh, God, it don't go it is shiro with in Jumba. Now it's in Jumba, where be there, yo? It is in Jumba, and then it talk say, it don't lost. They find, they know the sea. The woman see na for each place. For that place they call her say Bonamusa the market. Na for Douala. The woman say no go leave the matter. Scandal we bring her for day. Scandal for Bonamusa the market. It pass good. That's happen for Friday. Now they bring her for una now. Man pikin you don't lost. You say you don't lost. Then you do your moto. With your number 2 bureau for inside, you go you don't say your man never market 9 hours now you are the power to my say moto. He say oh stop am. Una no woman oh chakara place for Bonamusa the market. You go you told me they find you, they see you waiting out here in Jumba. You don't stay. Them say they go to stay now for them now. So problem. So take a reach tomorrow. Problem continue. Another story a day. We they continue for Naka for una. The story for Naka for una na for that side for Chang. Them so come over for that side for Blue War. I mean for Sangmalima. So for Zomoyong. We come out, we come for Dakar for Douala, we go for Bonamusadi, we take motor one time, we go for Chang. Yes, we go for Chang. What's happen for Chang for the weekend? Now so Oga Kwata, when I be proprietor for some bar, a throw away petrol for one of the employer them. They say no na the first time the man they do that one. In name na Bruno. Alias papa, propriétaire, the propriétaire. Et don't drink, so pass the place. And then they told for day, that get and that kid they make that, mammy, meeting they pay them, mammy, papa, they pay them. What I know what's happen, Bruno say, he accuse one of them, say, they put hand, for instance, a palava a case, say, they don't take him money, this and that. As we talk so, the matter, it did for before. So tell go na tout le monde kondenge. Mais ça ne kondenge. Everybody no kondenge. Ana me kondenge. Ana me kondenge. If fine for that one na so the thing a pass. Countryman. Now for year we go put end for do a small program. O tell am say una no say before I wan go I dey always tell una. Say una see my back. Una see my back, but una no say my belly it did for before. Now so small time again.